Escalade's standard 4-corner air ride suspension offers adjustable ride height and load leveling capabilities and delivers exceptional ride comfort and handling. Press the up or down ride height button to display up to 4 different ride heights on the instrument cluster. Entry-exit ground clearance to lower the vehicle 2 inches lower than normal for easy ingress and egress. Normal ground clearance, used for everyday driving. Increased ground clearance to raise the vehicle 1 inch from normal or after initiating off-road mode under 50 miles per hour. And maximum ground clearance to raise the vehicle 2 inches from normal while in 4-wheel drive low under 30 miles per hour. Wait for the menu to time out to select. Aerodynamic height also automatically lowers the ride height to help improve aerodynamics when the vehicle exceeds 65 miles per hour for a period of time. Set the vehicle to automatically lower to the entry-exit height when shifting to park by going to Settings, Vehicle, Ride Height, and then Automatic Entry Egress. Load your vehicle with cargo or attach a trailer, and the self-leveling feature will automatically help keep the vehicle level to enhance comfort and control. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.